Hello everyone, I am Sukhat Pawar, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering of AISSMS Institute of Information Technology Pune. In this video, I am going to solve one problem on controllability and observability. So example 1, investigate for complete state controllability and complete state observability for the system with state model matrices are matrix A of order 3 by 3, 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 minus 2 minus 3, matrix B of order 3 by 1, that is 0 0 1, matrix C of order 1 by 3, 10 0 0. In the state model, x dot of t is equals to ax of t plus bu of t, and output equation y is equals to cx. So whenever uh, if you are going to find out the whether the system is state controllable or complete state variable observable, then for that you must have the controllability and observability matrix equation. So first of all, we'll see whether the system is complete state controllable or not. So that is totally depends on the controllability matrix M. We know that M is equals to 1 by n matrices order B, AB, A square B, and so on, A n minus 1 B. Here the order of matrix A is n by n, that is 3 by 3. So the value of n is equals to 3 here. So if you put n is equals to 3 in this equation, then the controllability matrix will be M is equals to B, AB, A square B. Now the matrix M contains three columns. First column is nothing but the matrix B. Second column is nothing but the multiplication of A and B matrix, and third column is nothing but the A square B matrix, the resultant equation of A square B matrix. So first of all, we have to find out A dot B, and then A square, and then A square dot B. So matrix A dot B is A dot B, matrix A of order 3 by 3 and B of order 3 by 1. So the resultant matrix A dot B will be of order 3 by 1, that is 0 1 minus 3. Then matrix A dot A, we have to find out A square B. So first of all, we must have A dot A, that is A square, matrix A square. So A dot A is equals to, both A are 3 by 3 matrix, so resultant A dot A matrix of order is 3 by 3. So we got 0 0 1, 0 minus 2 minus 3, 0 6 7. Now if you multiply this equation or this matrix with B, then you will get A square dot B matrix. So A square of order 3 by 3 and B matrix B of order 3 by 1. So resultant matrix A square dot B, his order is 3 by 1. We got 1 minus 3 7. So we got A dot B and A square B. So matrix M contains three columns. First column is nothing but the matrix B 0 0 1. Second column is nothing but the matrix A dot B, that is 0 1 minus 3, and third column is nothing but A square B, that is 1 minus 3 7. So we have to find out the order of matrix M can be calculated by taking the determinant of matrix M. So how to find out the rank of this matrix? For rank, to find out rank, we must know the determinant mod of M is equals to -1, that is not equals to 0. So here the rank of matrix M is equals to 3, that is exactly equals to the value of n. So here we can say that the system is completely state controllable. So like that we can find out whether the system is state controllable or not. So it is totally depends on what? The rank of the matrix M. If the rank of matrix M is exactly equals to the value of n, then we can say that the system is completely state controllable. Thank you.